Congratulations and welcome to the Builderall team. I'm Frank Jimenez and I'll be taking you on a tour to show you some really cool and great resources on how to get started with Builderall. Let's get started. So here we are inside, logged into the Builderall back office, and this is our dashboard. Now, if this is your first time logging in, chances are you're only going to have a few tools displayed on top of your dashboard. Now, to add more tools, depending on the plan that you have, all you have to do is go to this blue button here and click on the plus sign and install more tools. Now, each tool has a description on what that tool does. And in addition to that, as you can see, I've already installed a couple tools. Now, if I'm going to be working with some tools like the Booking Builder, to kind of help save some time, all you have to do is just left click on that tile and drag it, hold and drag it up here, and then just drop it. And that makes it that much more easier and convenient for you to use if you're going to be working with that specific tool. So how do you use these tools in Builderall? Well, we've made it simple by adding a button right up at the very top called New Knowledge Base. Now, when you click on that button, you're going to be redirected to the New Knowledge Base website, where you're going to have access to all of the tutorials needed to help you get started with Builderall. So let's go have a look. So here we are inside the Builderall Knowledge Base. Now again, we arrived here by going inside your dashboard once you're logged into the Builderall back office. Now the second way to arrive here is to just simply save this web page right here by going over and bookmarking this page. So at the very top, we start off with a search option where you could just simply enter a few keywords to help you search exactly what it is you're looking for. Now once I've hit enter, down below are going to be several options for me to choose from. Let's say, for example, I didn't know the difference between a contact form and an email marketing form. So if I went ahead and I clicked on this link, it's going to take me directly to that page to help me decide. So here you have a how to use a contact form versus when to use an email marketing form. And over on the left, you have additional links that can help guide you through additional training. Now, for whatever reason, if you get lost and you simply want to go back to the home page, all you have to do is just click on this icon right here or click on home. Now, at the same time, you can also continue searching by going back to the search bar and entering additional keywords. For this example, let's go back to the home page. Okay, so down below is going to be our important Facebook groups that you're definitely going to want to join. Right now, what's super amazing about the Builderall platform is it has its amazing, most powerful tools to help elevate your business. But one powerful tool is the community that resides inside Builderall, broken down into these groups. One is Builderall Official, Builderall Europe, Builderall Affiliates, Builderall Community, and then you have specific live training broken down by these magnificent 5 leaders. All right, so here we have Local Business by Bridget Bartlett. Now, here's a good example too. If I scroll down here, you're going to see the engagement happening and all of the live trainings that Bridget is holding related to local business. Same thing goes for network marketing, led by Jean Hawkes and Jackie DeClerc, who's over physical products. Information products is Keck Lynn. Keck Lynn doing the exact same thing, just like the rest of the Magnificent 5. And then we have Product Launch by Terry Stevenson. Now that gives you a really good idea on what Builderall has to offer as it relates to live training. Speaking of training, we also have our Tuesday night training, right, which goes live inside our Facebook groups. And in addition to that, you can catch the live as well as the replays inside our Builderall YouTube channel. So this is our Builderall YouTube channel. Now the first thing I'm going to challenge you to do is to make sure that you subscribe and you click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the latest and greatest videos that hit the Builderall community. Now at the same time, here is Tuesday night training. And this Tuesday night training was held by Jean Hawkes, one of the Magnificent 5. And as you can see, it was jam-packed not only with great quality information, but with great members of the Builderall community. Next, we have the Builderall Assistant. Now, the Builderall Assistant is going to help guide and ask you a few questions to help you navigate directly to the information that best suits why you're here, right? So let me go ahead and just click on this here and show you the chatbot that's going to help answer a few of these questions and why this is a super helpful tool. In addition, you can also access this amazing tool by clicking at the very top of your dashboard right here where it says Start Here, and it will open up the Builderall Assistant. So click here to get started. So if I click here to get started, it's going to say, what is your main goal with Builderall? to become an affiliate, or to use the Builderall tools for my business. Now, as you navigate through each of these questions, it's going to take you and put you in front of the resources that's going to work best for you. Next, we have one of my favorites, the Builderall blog. Now, here at the Builderall blog, you can access some really cool information that's highlighted again by the Magnificent Five. In addition, you can capture and get all of the latest and greatest updates as it relates to Builderall. Here we have the events calendar so that you can stay up to date with the latest meetings happening around the community. In addition to that, we have a branding kit and a resource board. Our branding kit is going to take you to the Builderall logos, different colors, different fonts that you can start putting into play for your business or for your own personal needs. Next, we have another one of my favorites, the resource board. The resource board will navigate you to a Trello board that houses all of our Builderall graphics and resources. So let's have a look at just some of these. Look at these. These are each professionally designed and done. In addition to that, you have testimonials that you can use. You can have swipe files. You have videos that you can use, and so much more. Next, we have our meeting and training schedule, where we kick off our Monday meetings at 10 a.m. Eastern Time inside our affiliate Facebook group. In addition, we have our 10:30 Eastern Time member meeting inside our Builderall official Facebook group. And then we have our Tuesday night training, hosted by one of our Magnificent Five and sometimes a special guest. And then before we jump into the weekend, we conclude our week with our ambassador meeting at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time inside our Builderall Ambassador Facebook group. There you are, some additional resources to help you get started with Builderall. Now there's one additional link that I want to show you where if you're a new member to Builderall, which I'm sure you are, you're going to definitely want to navigate right over this area right here, which is the new members area. When I hover my mouse over the new members area, you get three different options. One is getting started with Builderall tools. Two, getting started as a Builderall affiliate. And if you're new to digital marketing, right, and you're just not sure of the terms like I was, I definitely could have used something like Glossary, where you can help better understand the digital lingo. Now, let me hop over to the very top here on getting started with Builderall. So here is getting started with the Builderall tools, where you can just simply start by watching this video here and then just work your way down the page. And by the end of this, you'll get a really truly good understanding of how to get started with the Builderall tools. Now, over here, we have getting started as a Builderall affiliate. Now, if you're looking just to promote this wonderful and amazing platform, right, this is a great place to start. You could do both. You can utilize the different tools to help grow your business or run your business. And in addition to that, there's another opportunity, right? The Builderall Affiliate Program. So here is everything Builderall Affiliate. So there you have it. All of these amazing tools found in one single spot, the knowledge base, where you can access it in the back office of your Builderall dashboard or by simply going to knowledgebase.builderall.com. And there you have it, a bucket full of resources that I'm sure you just can't wait to dive into. Now, in this video, we covered a lot, so let's refresh on what we covered. We covered the new knowledge base and how you can easily access it in the back office by clicking on the button at the very top. In addition, I showed you the homepage of the knowledge base and the search functionality that makes things easier to simplify exactly what it is you're looking for. Now, the Facebook groups. Don't forget to join these because in itself, there's a lot of value in each of these groups. And don't forget about the Mag 5 Facebook groups where you can learn a lot daily with live trainings and so much more. Don't forget about our YouTube channel where you can subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell so you get the latest and greatest trainings as they're released. Now the resource board, great stuff here as well as meetings and trainings that are added to the calendar each and every week. Now don't forget, as a new user, we have new members link where you can simply click on and get started. Get started with the new tools link and also get started on becoming an affiliate. And that sums up some really cool quick links that you can start using to get started with Builderall. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.
Look. Hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, they came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans. See the pages they like or use the video wrap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click and ooh, I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.